Welcome aboard Harmony of the Seas. We're on deck 11, room 322. This one is a balcony ocean view room. Upon entering the room, to the right you will have your master switch, and then also your room attendant typically has a card in here that keeps the air going at all times, your lights on. If that's not in there, they will turn off. So just be aware of that. And also you have a full-length mirror. And then going on over here, you have a little vanity desk area with, I know a lot of people wonder about the plugins and the outlets. There are 2 USB ports and then the standard European, as well as the switch for the light up above. And then on the first day upon entering the room, you'll have all of your information from the casino, just events that are going on. You'll have your QR code for the compass. And then if you do receive amenities from Casino Royale, from the casino, or from Loyalty, on the first day when you go out of Galveston, you typically don't get any of them until later on, just because of the state regulations. So back to the desks. Some people aren't aware of this. It's kind of handy if you want. The desk does come out, so if you want to sit on the couch and order room service or something and pull out the TV, that's kind of handy. So, and then moving on, as you come in, you've got standard bathroom here. Everything there's some nice shelving. And then in the shower, a lot of people ask as well, it does come, they have it's the 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So that is in there, and they replenish that daily. So and above, nope, this one doesn't have it. Some of them up above, they have a wire, a string that you can pull out that comes across to hang clothes. So that's nice as well. And then come on out, you've got the thermostat there, nice size closet, hangers, and then this goes up should you not need to utilize that. We like to hide our suitcases in there. Then the couch also can be turned in. Your room attendant can turn that in to a bed for extra space. Very spacious room. More drawers. They do come with a blow dryer. Not necessarily always the greatest, but it is provided, so no need to bring that. Then you have, a lot of people say a refrigerator, but it clearly does say on here this is not a refrigerator, it is just a cooler. So this one's actually very cold. So anyway, if you do need an actual refrigerator for medical purposes, you can call ahead of time and they can get that in the room for you. And moving on, more storage, lots of shelves, the safe, and then more drawers down below. And then this one we had it made into just a one, the Royal King bed. You can have it separated, and when they separate it, what they do is they take the 2 side tables and put those in the middle to separate the beds for you. And then on the one side you do have a plug-in, an outlet, and then the switch. That's actually quite handy because at night you don't have to get out of bed if you forgot to turn the lights off, so that's nice. And then the sconces on the side. And then you have another little end table over here with the phone. This phone doesn't have it. Some of the other rooms do have it to where on the side of the phone it has a USB port, which is pretty handy for charging your phone at night. And another thing, the TV, it does come out, so if you want to watch TV over on the couch, it is movable. Also, USB ports, should you have anybody in your family that brings along devices that they like to stream, plug in, whatever, you can you can do so. And then last but not least, you've got the balcony. Sorry, our son's enjoying the view. And good thing to know, I'm from when you're going out of Texas, a lot of time you can see the dolphins out playing before you set sail. So again, this is room 11322 on Harmony of the Seas, and that will conclude this tour. So hope you all enjoyed. If you like it, like and subscribe. Alrighty, until next time.